Alright guys, back here again with another video. This is an update to my EDC. We're in March of 2026. So I am carrying the Spyderco Bird. This is what I use to open packages, pretty much as a tool for whatever I need to do, cut boxes. This blade has been very reliable, and it has done pretty much everything I needed it to do. It's very sharp. It's also serrated. This is my self-defense knife. This I do not use to cut boxes. I don't use it for any of those things. This is a very, very well built knife. It's very sharp, and they do come with a lifetime warranty. This is one of those generational things that you can pass down to your kids or whatever. So these things are really built to last. All right. Still rocking the same wallet. This is made by CF. I have a full description of this in one of my videos. Check that out. Business card holder. Truck keys. Lip gloss. I mean, can't be walking around with no chappy lips, right? Pen, obviously. These you can get them in like a 10-pack. They're really nice. It's got like a little fidget thing here where you can mess around with that. Pretty good pen. Looks good. And it's built solid. Next thing we have is the M&P Bodyguard 2. So this one is the compensated version. I do have the Glock 42 that I carried. I just find myself to be more accurate with this gun. And yeah. Also carried a Glock 19. This one has the 507C, TLR-7A, and Radiant Ramjet. All right.